Hi everyone, I am Adila Raj from Axis Language School. In this video, I have some tips that would help you to be very nice or to be friendly in English. So the first tip is avoid controversial topics. When you are meeting someone for the first time, avoid controversial topics like religion, money, and then politics and everything similar to that. In that case, you can speak about some general topics like movies, music or food and so on. That means you have to avoid sensational topics that will lead to arguments. And the second one is keep the conversation going. When someone is asking you some question and you are replying to them like yes, no, yes I have, no I don't have, like that, this is not the way to reply. That means avoid short answers. If someone is asking some question like, okay, where are you from? And you are giving an answer like, I'm from Kerala. So if you are finishing or if you are completing your sentence there, that may show that you are not interested in more conversation with them. So avoid such situation. Keep on going the conversation. That means you have to add more sentences or you have to say something more about the answer. That means I'm from Kerala and have you been there before? And Kerala is like this, it is a beautiful place and something is there, this is there, that is there. Like that you have to add different points about your place. It shows that you are more interested in this conversation with them. Then the next one is ask for permission. Whenever you are doing something and if it affects someone else, you have to ask for the permission. Like for example, you are asking your friend, if you don't mind, can I borrow your bike? Or if you don't mind, can I borrow your pen? Like that. I hope these tips will be useful for you. For more videos, subscribe Axis Language School.